Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to automatically record any particular contact call recording on your Android device. So for this guys, just if you don't have Google phone app on your device, just you need to go to Google Play Store, and from Play Store you can easily download phone app by Google. After download and install, just set this app as a default dialer app on your device. After this guys, just open the dialer of the Google app. After this, on the top right side you can see three dots, just tap on it. From here you want to open the settings. In these settings guys, you can get the option call recording, just tap on it. From here you can get one option selected number, just tap on it. First of all you want to enable this option. After this guys, just tap on choose a contact. From here you can get your contact list. From here you want to select any particular contact which you want to record that contact call recording. For example, I am selecting one contact. As you can see guys, I have added one contact. So whenever this person call me, automatically this call recording was recorded on my device. So this is the very easy and very simple method to record any particular person call recording on your device automatically. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.